Is it accurate to say that you are keen on getting more fit? Is it true that you are burnt out on abstains from food that back or low or no fats and want your high-fat meats? You likely could be thinking about going on the keto diet, the tenderfoot. Embraced by numerous VIPs including Halle Berry, LeBron James and Kim Kardashian among others, the keto diet has been the subject of much discussion among dietitians and specialists. Do you wonder if the keto diet is sheltered and directly for you? What is the ketogenic diet at any rate? You should know that the body utilizes sugar as glycogen to work. The keto diet that is very limited in sugar powers your body to utilize fat as fuel rather than sugar, since it doesn't get enough sugar. At the point when the body doesn't get enough sugar for fuel, the liver is compelled to transform the accessible fat into ketones that are utilized by the body as fuel, subsequently the term ketogenic. This eating routine is a high-fat eating regimen with moderate measures of protein. Contingent upon your carb admission, the body arrives at a condition of ketosis in under a week and remains there. As fat is utilized rather than sugar for fuel in the body, the weight reduction is sensational with no alleged limitation of calories. The keto diet is with the end goal that you should plan to get 60 to 75% of your everyday calories from fat, 15 to 30% from protein and just 5 to 10% from starches. This typically implies you can eat just 20 to 50 grams of carbs in a day. What would you be able to eat on this eating regimen? The eating regimen is a high-fat eating routine that is fairly like Atkins. Nonetheless, there is more prominent accentuation on fats, generally, great fats. On the keto diet you can have olive oil, coconut oil, nut oils, margarine, ghee. Grass took care of hamburger, chicken, fish, different meats, full-fat cheddar, eggs, cream, verdant greens, non-dull vegetables, nuts, seeds. You can likewise get an entire scope of tidbits that are intended for keto supporters. As should be obvious from this rundown, organic products are limited. You can have low-sugar organic products in a restricted amount, generally berries, however should forego your preferred natural products as these are largely sweet or potentially bland. This eating regimen incorporates no grains of any sort, boring vegetables like potatoes and all tubers, no sugar or desserts, no breads and cakes, no beans and lentils, no pasta, no pizza and burgers and almost no liquor. This additionally implies no espresso with milk or tea with milk. Indeed, no milk and frozen yogurts and milk-based sweets. A significant number of these have workarounds as you can get starch-free pasta and pizza, you can have cauliflower rice and now there are even eateries that take into account keto enthusiasts. What are the advantages of the keto diet? On the off chance that you are thinking about whether this eating routine is sheltered, its defenders and the individuals who have accomplished their weight reduction objectives will positively concur that it is protected. Among the advantages of the keto diet you can anticipate: loss of weight, decreased or no sugar spikes, hunger control, seizure controlling impact, pulse standardizes in hypertension patients, decreased assaults of headache. Type 2 diabetes patients on this eating routine might have the option to decrease their prescriptions. A few advantages to those experiencing disease. Aside from the initial 4, there isn't adequate proof to help its viability, or in any case for different sicknesses as significantly more examination is required over the long haul. Are there any symptoms of this eating regimen? At the point when you at first beginning the keto diet, you can experience the ill effects of what is known as keto influenza. These manifestations may not happen in all individuals and as a rule start a couple of days subsequent to being on the eating regimen, when your body is in a condition of ketosis. A portion of the reactions are queasiness, issues in stomach torment, migraine, spewing, the runs and additionally clogging, muscle cramps, wooziness and helpless focuses, sleep deprivation, starch and sugar longings. These may take as long as 7 days to die down as your body become acclimated to the new eating routine system. You can likewise experience the ill effects of different issues when you start the keto diet, You may find that you have expanded pee, so it is imperative to keep yourself all around hydrated. You may likewise experience the ill effects of keto breath when your body arrives at ideal ketosis, and you can utilize a mouthwash or brush your teeth all the more regularly. Typically the reactions are brief, and once your body adjusts to the new eating routine, these ought to vanish. How protected is the keto diet? Much the same as whatever other eating regimen that confines nourishments in explicit classes, the keto diet isn't without hazards. As you shouldn't eat numerous products of the soil, beans and lentils and different nourishments, you can experience the ill effects of absence of numerous fundamental supplements. Since the eating regimen is high in soaked fats and, on the off chance that you enjoy the terrible fats, you can have elevated cholesterol levels, increasing your danger of coronary illness. In the long haul, the keto diet can likewise cause numerous healthful lacks, since you can't eat grains, numerous leafy foods, and pass up fiber as additionally significant nutrients, minerals, phytonutrients, and cell reinforcements, in addition to other things. You can experience the ill effects of gastrointestinal pain, brought down bone thickness, no dairy, and different well springs of calcium, and kidney and liver issues. The eating routine puts included pressure both the organs. Is the keto diet all right for you? On the off chance that you are eager to forego your typical dietary staples and are truly quick to get in shape, you might be enticed to give a shot the keto diet. The greatest issue with this eating routine is helpless patient consistence on account of the starch limitation, so you must be certain that you can live with your food decisions. On the off chance that you essentially view it as too hard to even consider following, you can go on a rendition of the altered keto diet that offers more carbs. Notwithstanding, the keto diet is unquestionably powerful in helping you get thinner. As indicated by an ongoing report, a significant number of the large patients followed were effective in getting in shape. Any issues that they confronted were transitory. In the event that you don't have any noteworthy medical issues aside from stoutness and have been fruitless in getting in shape following any traditional eating routine, the keto diet may be a reasonable choice. You should be completely resolved to lose the weight and be set up to go on a confined eating regimen as determined. Regardless of whether you have any clinical issues, you can accept your PCP's recommendation and a nutritionist's direction and go on this eating routine. Another examination that was done for a more extended time indicated that going on the keto diet is gainful in weight reduction and furthermore brings about diminished cholesterol levels with an abatement in the awful cholesterol and an expansion in the great cholesterol. Is the keto diet all right for you? Most specialists and nutritionists are concurred that the keto diet is useful for weight reduction over the present moment. With respect to the long haul, more investigations are required. Do remember that corpulence isn't an able decision, as it accompanies its own danger of medical issues.